We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up SOL USD. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, bearish candle, looks like a large doji. Let's see what's going on. Overall pattern in that area, we can see that first leg, second leg, third leg, the market's pushing down for that fourth. So we're starting to see that M structure form, that M pattern. So we're looking for the bearish price action candle to line back up with the previous area and see what it's going to do in this area. Probably the market's going to push back up, push down further, or consolidate sideways. So before we move on to the weekly time frame, let's take a look at another area. So we do have price action overall, higher highs, overall lower lows. We do have that midpoint in the middle, and we do have second level lows where prices currently broke a midpoint of that area. So we're going to see that market's going to push down to that support area as we walk down further. So let's tighten this up just a little bit. Looking for that midpoint in that area to see what's going on. Near price like it's broke the midpoint just by a little bit. So let's walk down the time frame to see what we see. Now we on the weekly time frame. So let's take a look at what's going on. I mean, we see multiple patterns in this area. So where price began at, it pushed up to a high. So we did receive that 3 pushes to the top once, twice. We got a third spike. So we had a triple top or a double top and a retest. Head and shoulders pattern can be as well. Market push down. We have a M, first, second, third, fourth. Retest 1, retest 2. So market is pushing down for that second push so far, and we don't know how far it's going to go until it stops. But still, after it stops and create an area of a bearish candle, it can still push down one more time to drop down further, which would create 4 pushes down to that bottom. So let's take a look at what's going on in price action now. So price action has broken the midpoint range. It has broken the midpoint range of that low. We have a spike down, so this spike down could be respected. So there's a few things that can happen in this market. We could be receiving the first leg, second leg, third leg. Market creates that support, pushes up for that fourth leg, and we'll see a W. And then we'll look for a retest and for that market to work its way up to new levels. Now, if not, we're looking for price to come from this area of resistance. That means we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, market push down for that fourth. We see that M pattern, the market can make its way all the way down to this area of support. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down the time frame, see what's going on in the market. On the weekly time frame, we have market broke that area. It's coming back to retest. So we got to see what's going to happen in this area here. So market broke, came back to retest, primarily looking for that pattern to form for that market to push down further. If not, the price will be expected more for an incline for that first leg, second leg, third leg, and market pushed up. So breaking retest of that area here, and the market goes up to new levels. And last but not least, we can get that area consolidation side by side. Let's keep walking down the time frame and see what we see. Headed down to the 4 hour. So we're starting to see patterns. So let's take a look at it again. Overall, first, second, third, market pushed up for that fourth. So we see that M pattern. Also, price has broken this level. So we at the break. We're gonna see how far this market's gonna come push up for the retest and for that market to come push up further. So price can retest this area of the support that it just broke, or it can break up to another level, retest the top of this resistance that we did find on an earlier time frame to push up further. And if not, we'll see that area consolidation where we see that market bounce sideways within this structure. Headed down to the 3, let's see what's going on. 4-hour time frame, 3-hour time frame, identifying the same thing. Headed down to the 2, same thing as well. We're seeing that side by side in the market, so we don't know if that market's going to drop down for that break and retest and work its way up further, as I said earlier. If not, market can break this area here to head up to our resistance line for the break and retest, or we'll just get that consolidation of that area. Looking for patterns in the market. 4 pushes down to that bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4. The market's coming from a triple bottom and a retest, or a quadruple bottom, and the market retest here and pushed up 1 major time. Headed down to the 1 hour. Let's see what's going on. So 4, 3, 2, 1, all identifying the same thing. Bearish candle forming, side by side action. Same as the 1 hour, just candles getting bigger. Price action candle, last candle market is getting bigger as we walk down. So we can see that area of support. So price action candles could be becoming a retest. What we're seeing is that market broke, stop at a retest of the midpoint of that second last candle. It could be expected to go up. If not, if we get that engulfment to the downside of this, market can push down maybe up to this level here. We expect it to go up. If not, it's going to keep on twinkling down level after level. Get down to the 30. 45, 30, identify the same thing, side by side candles. Price action, bearish candle is working its way down further, as we can see. 15 minutes now, we do have the break of the second last candle. So market's in this range here. So we're going to see if this market's going to retest. It's respect, push up, or just break this area. We're looking for a break and retest for that market to push down further. Now we can see markets trying to form patterns. So we have an M, first, second, third. The market can push down for that fourth. Once we get the break of this area here, we're looking for a retest for that market to push down further. Looking for a bearish candle, currently what price is, to engulf the second, third, fourth, fifth candle in the market to see if it's going to push down, close out that market down a little further. Headed down to the 5. Here we see multiple pushes to the top. 1, 2, 3. Market finally broke, retest. So we're going to see that market's going to respect this area here for the push up. So we'll be looking for a W in that area. First, second, third, market comes up. If not, market's creating its own new structure at that higher resistance for the first leg. So we don't know what's going to come after. If it breaks this area here, we're looking for a break of that area, retest for that market to come down, which would be a double top. If not, we can't get an overall single top until we figure out when that market's going to tag that resistance for another push down to create that M pattern. Headed down to the 3. A price action on the 3-minute time frame is a doji, could be an area of support. We do have body below the previous body and price below previous price that can push down, but price action candle is a long way down to that bottom, could be an area of support for that market to break up and break out of that. So where market's coming from, if you think about doing a single leg here, let me see, first, second, third. So think about doing a single leg here, first, second, third, market pushed up for that fourth, came back to retest. We're going to see the market's going to push back up to this level here. If not, we're looking for that market to break, retest, work its way down. And if not, we're looking for that consolidation of that area. Get down to the 1 hour time frame, 1 minute time frame. Let's see what's going on. So we're starting to get that consolidation. First, second, third, fourth, last candle in the market is side by side, especially price action, second last candle and third to last candle. Getting that consolidation, waiting for the market to going to break up from that area. Also, price is coming from a triple top or head and shoulders pattern. 3 pushes to that top, push down totally once. Could push down up to 2 more times after that, unless this market is respected or work its way sideways. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis.